Purnima University has proactively taken decisions looking into the current pandemic situation.
Right.
We have not only conducted the previous sessions teaching online, but also conducted the midterm examinations as per the guidelines of our university,
Right.
as well as we ensured compliance of the all regulations and decisions given by Central Ministry, UGC, AICTE.
Right.
So we are taking it as an opportunity
Hmm.
to move to new normals. Yes, let's accept it has affected the admission process, but we can understand it. It is just a delay of 2 months. Whatever used to happen earlier in May
Hmm.
is now shifted to say July. So there is a shift in admission cycle, and I believe it is not for Purnima University. It is for entire India, and maybe true for global conditions. And yes, uh, students and parents are facing a bit challenge in identifying the institution or the higher education institutes. But on the contrary, let's look at from the perspective that they got a much more time for research, exploration, and decision making to explore and research about the courses, curriculums, and institutions. And definitely, the more sound colleges and universities will get good admissions, because once a student or a parent decide with a wide research, definitely the output has to be better than it used to be.
Right.
So as far as placements are considered, we are fortunate that 70 to 75% placement of Purnima is in the field of software and IT. And as we all know that in this current pandemic situation, everything is going virtually. That means the role of IT and software industry has increased by many folds.
Correct.
We are going through the reports that 200% rise or 400% growth possibilities, and the things are there. So major corporate has promised us to keep the placement offers intact. In fact, requesting and some early joining also. So as far as the 2020 placement batch is going on, things are very much fine. If we consider the core sector, the way few examples we all have seen, PPE kits, we were zero in production. Now India is the highest producer of PPE kits. So even in the manufacturing and other sectors, we are ensured that this current situation is very small time being. After this minima, there will be a big maxima, and that growth cycle will definitely result more number of opportunities for the core sector engineers and professionals also. We actually started some 1.5 year before introducing online learning, online examination, virtual training sort of thing.
Right.
And this really helped us in last 4 months. Our students were introduced to these technologies. Our faculties were already exposed to Google Classroom, Google Assignments, and other things. So it took us very less time to shift to this new regime and adapt the online teaching learning processes. And that's why we were able to conduct our all the syllabus in time, though in virtual mode. Our examinations, Purnima University has conducted all the examination, even end term and mid term, both on online mode, where certain universities are only promoting their students. We are evaluating and our students are cooperating in this new situation. We are right now in a transition phase, and we will come up with a blend of online and offline.
Right.
So no one can deny the importance of offline teaching, the type of connect a student and a teacher can create in an offline class, the the type of doubt solving ability, the type of physical and psychological connect that you create with a teacher and a student in a classroom cannot be replaced by online. But yes, online itself has certain advantages. It will, of course, depend on institute to institute and student to student, how much offline and how much online. So that percentage may vary.
Right.
But the future will definitely be a blend of online and offline. And this, let's take it as an opportunity that COVID has helped us to learn this new online things a bit more faster than we would have taken.